What is the formula for specific heat, mass, and temperature change? Have you ever wondered how much energy it takes to heat something up? Let's break down the formula that connects specific heat, mass, and temperature change in a simple way. This formula is essential in understanding how heat energy works in our everyday lives. The formula is Q equals m times C times delta T here. Q represents the heat added or removed, measured in joules. Joules are the standard unit for energy. Next, we have m, which stands for mass. Mass is usually measured in grams or kilograms, depending on what you are working with. Then we have C, the specific heat capacity. This tells us how much heat is needed to raise the temperature of 1 unit of mass by 1 degree Celsius. The units for specific heat capacity are joules per gram per degree Celsius or joules per kilogram per Kelvin. Different materials have different specific heat capacities. For example, water has a high specific heat capacity of about 4.186 joules per gram per degree Celsius. This means it takes a lot of energy to change the temperature of water compared to metals like copper, which have lower specific heats. Finally, we have delta T, which is the change in temperature. To find delta T, subtract the initial temperature from the final temperature. This is measured in degrees Celsius or Kelvin. Now let's put this all together. The formula shows that the heat energy transferred to or from a substance depends directly on its mass, the specific heat capacity of the material, and the temperature change it undergoes. This is important because it helps us calculate how much energy we need to heat or cool objects. Keep in mind that this formula only works when the substance remains in the same phase, like solid, liquid, or gas. If a phase change occurs, like melting or boiling, we need different calculations because heat goes into changing the phase instead of changing the temperature. Understanding this formula is not just for scientists. It helps in everyday situations, like cooking or heating your home. Knowing how much energy is needed can make a big difference in efficiency and effectiveness. So next time you heat something up, remember the formula and how it applies to your daily life.